The Rubik's Cube may seem like a complex puzzle for geniuses only, but with some practice, anyone can learn to solve it. The Rubik's Cube, a seemingly simple puzzle with the complex mechanics, offers a captivating challenge that can be enjoyed by beginners and competitive solvers alike. All you have to do is follow these simple steps and try to memorize the algorithms. To master the cube, you must first learn a sequence of movements that can be performed in a successive order, or also known as an algorithm. An algorithm is made out of some move notation, and move notation refers to a ladder that represents a various turns on the puzzle. It marks every move of the puzzle with a ladder. Like for example, F is front, B is back, U is up, D is for down, and L is for left, and R is for right. This ladder indicates where to twist the sides on the cube. A ladder by itself indicates a 90-degree clockwise rotation, like this. And if the ladder has an apostrophe, it moves counterclockwise, so like this. After learning these terms, you should now be able to perform this sequence of moves to solve the Rubik's Cube. So the first thing you have to do is build an entire layer on any color. But I'm going to use white for this tutorial, and what I mean by layer is not only this face that is solved, but also have all these colors aligning up. So not only this white part, but also the sides. So once your cube was scrambled, I'm going to search for all the white piece, and I see it in here, 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 and here. Then I'm gonna pick one of it to start with. It's just for a reference, and it doesn't matter what you choose. So I'm going to choose this one, and then I'm going to pair it up with other white pieces, like we see it in this here. So we need to search for a white and green piece to be paired in here. So we're going to look up here and look for a green and white piece, and we see it in here, and we want to put it here, so we need to put it on the top of this, so here, like here, and then just do this algorithm. It's R U R prime U prime. Do it until the white piece facing down. So do it again. R U R prime U prime, and then do it again. R U R prime U prime, and then it's correct. And then do it with all of those other white piece. So we going to pair the white and orange in here. So look for white and orange, so we see it here. It's white and orange. Put it on top of the unsolved piece here, and just do the algorithm again. So RU R prime RU, do it until it's facing down, and the last one is also the same. Just put it on top of the unsolved piece, and then do the algorithm again. So once you solve all the first layer, we're going to move on to solve the last layer, which is this. And to do that, we need to align the top piece with the bottom one. So for example, we see it with here is green and orange. We need to put green and orange piece here too, and we see it with blue and orange here. We need to put blue and orange here too, and so on and so on. So we need to do that, we need to pair up only one on top first. So we can see, we just put it here, like here, pairing it up. You need only one of it to pair up. Then just do this algorithm. It's U R U prime L prime U R prime U prime L, and then do that until all the piece is matched up. So okay, we got it here. So you can see it's pairing up with all of it. So we can see it green and red here, and green and red here, green orange here, green orange here, blue orange here, blue orange here, and then red and red, blue here, red, blue here. So this is a correct piece. So this is correct one. After you align all the pieces from the top to match the bottom one, you want to put the yellow piece upside down. So this is facing down now and the white one is facing up. So you want to flip it like this. And then you want to do the algorithm again, the first algorithm, and just try to fix this to face down, these two pieces that unsolved. This two is already solved. So you, how to do it is you want to put it on here on bottom right, and then just do the first algorithm. It's the RU, and then do it until it's facing down, the yellow piece is facing down. Do it again, and then you got your piece correct now. And don't worry about the top piece being unsolved again, but it's going to get fixed after you complete all of the yellow piece. To move on to the next piece, you only need to move the bottom one. So you need to move the unsolved piece on here. So you need to move it here and do the algorithm again until it's facing down, and then you now got a solved Rubik's cube. Finally, after all that, you got yourself a solved Rubik's cube, and you should able to solve the Rubik's cube in no time. With dedication and practice, you'll develop the skills to solve the Rubik's cube again. Or if you want to solve it more efficiently, you can learn to the advanced method to solve the Rubik's cube. This accomplishment might bring sense of a satisfaction. In conclusion, Rubik's cube has become more than just a toy. It's a challenging puzzle that can improve our problem-solving skills, memory, and hand-eye coordination. Thank you for listening. That's all for me. Thank you.